What up, guys? I'm back again for another tutorial, and I'm using the Maybelline concealer to prime my eyes. It is in sand. Everything will be on the screen, so make sure you look on the screen if you want to know what products I'm using, just in case I don't say it. So I'm blending the concealer in with my finger, and I blend out the edges with my finger really nice until it kind of gave that faded effect. And then I went into the yellow, which is our first color. I'm using this as my transition shade, and I'm just putting this on the very top of that concealer, and I'm packing it on until I'm satisfied with the color. Now, there is no product on that brush, that just has color on it from my other eye, but I'm just using it to blend out the yellow. So I'm going into the same palette, and I'm tapping into that orange shade, and I'm going to put that into my crease using this Wet n Wild blending brush. And as you can see, it is so pigmented, and I just blend a little bit of that into the crease. And then I'm going into Ablaze in my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to blend this into that palette and and blend this into the crease and build up this color. As you can see, I'm doing windshield wiper motions, keeping it in the crease. I'm not taking it too far up into the yellow, and I'm focusing in that crease area and just blending and building it up. Now going back into the yellow, I'm going to apply that yellow back to where it was at, just because I feel like the orange kind of washed it away. Going into that hot pink and using this e.l.f. crease blending brush, I'm applying the hot pink right under the orange, and I'm really building this color in and giving it this nice sunset ombre effect, and it just looks so beautiful and nice together. Like, I was just feeling this. So I continued to just pat and windshield wiper this hot pink into my eyes, and then I went in with this ultra bright pink, and I applied this into that area, focusing mainly on that bottom pink area. I didn't want to go too far up into the orange, and then I just blended out using the brush again. I went back in with the orange just to touch up some things, and I also went back in with that pink just to touch up some things and make sure everything looked nice. Now we come and call the crease. We come and call this. So I'm using this really flat brush from my set of AliExpress brushes, and I'm using the same concealer in sand, and I'm just using this to cut the crease. I love this concealer, and I love using this brush to cut my crease. It's just perfect together, and it's so easy. But yeah, I don't know why the hell I was just talking like that, but you know, I like doing Christine and la, so yes. Now that the crease is cut, we're going to be going into this hot pink, and not hot pink, but that shimmery pink. Y'all saw the colors I was pointing to. And I'm just gonna pocket it. It was like a light pink and like a bubblegum pink, and I just pocket this. I just patted there and patted there and made sure the color was nice. And then I went in with that ultra bright pink to build up the inner corner, just to like make it, not the inner corner but the outer corner, and to make it look nice and just to darken it a bit. And I also went into the crease and darkened that up a bit. And then I'm going in with glitter now, and my NYX glitter primer as always. And once I applied the primer and blended it out with my finger because I applied too much, I went in with this glitter that I got from AliExpress, and I used the hot pink glitter to apply on the outward part, and then I went in with a gold glitter for the inner corner area. And you'll just basically see how I do that, because I don't think I explained that very well, but you'll get it. You will get it. So going back in with this ultra bright glitter, I'm going to pack this into my corner of my eyeball because I want it to be very bright and pigmented, and it just brought the whole look together. You don't really have to do this part, but I wanted to because it just made it look like bam. And I also went back into the crease just to darken everything. So we just fix everything, touching it up, making sure it look right, look tight, get it right, get it tight, you know. And now for our brow bone, I'm going to be going in with Kandykraze highlight. You already know the deal. You know, we getting there right, we getting it tight, and I'm just highlighting my brow bone.
I'm trying too fire for y'all. Y'all can't handle this, baby. Bro, my highlight is gleaming. Blend that out a bit. Hey, blend that out a bit. Hey. Cute. She's a bad thing.
Now that we're done with the eyes for now, we're just going to focus on this face. So we're priming using the Ella Girl Pro Primer. I don't know why I keep saying Ella. It's L-L-A. The L to the A. California. Let me shut up. Anyway, I'm going in with my illuminator from NYX in Sungoddess. And we're just bronzing up the face. Shine, shine. You know we got to be glowing. You know, when I blink my eyeball, they're going to be saying, oh, what I get. When I turn a corner, they're just going to be hit with a light. You know. Or then I'm spraying my face with a Mario Badasco. That was something new. I never do that, but I decided to do it today just to try. See if it would make any difference. It really didn't, but, you know. I'm using these two foundations, you know. I'll have it on the screen. But I'm just applying that all over my face, making sure, you know, we cover up these imperfections. And yeah, and then I'm using the Maybelline foundation, but it's also concealer. It's 2-in-1, and I decided to conceal, and I don't know, I wasn't really feeling it, but you know, it worked out all right. So now I'm just going to add some hazelnut under my eyeball, because I wanted a lighter concealer. And this is the first one I seen. And then I try to blend it with my brush because I saw Kiki Adams' channel. She'll blend it with a brush. Every time looking nice and looking sweet. But her brush was bigger and better. So yeah, this was not working. I wasn't feeling it. So you'll see that I'll switch my beauty blender later on in this video. But basically, I just tried to get rid of my bags. And you know, bling, 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 bling. You know, get it popping, get it right, get it tight. As always. So once everything is blended, I'm setting it with my Airspun translucent powder. I'm doing this new thing where I just don't crop out my mistakes, because you know we all make mistakes. That's life. If you're not making mistake, then you're not really learning anything from life. So yeah. Anyway, I'm using the sculpting shade in my Black Brilliance. Black Brilliance, subscribe to my Black Brilliance. Never mind, let me shut up. I'm in my Black Radiance palette just to dust off the powder. But back to what I was saying. Type in Black Brilliance on Instagram and make sure you follow my Black Brilliance page. You know, show some love. Post a lot of inspirations for me. You know, it's hitting like, you know. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at libby.o as in Olivia, because that's my name. And then I'm going into the contour shade, and I'm contouring my cheekbones right now. And I'm going to also contour my forehead and under my chin and my nose, because those are the places that you contour. Yes. But back to what I was saying. Follow me on a gram. Show some love. Currently, I am doing a Black History Month thingy. Every day I post famous Black history inspiration person. I don't really know where I'm going with this, but yeah, it's just famous Black people who have made a way for all of us. But yeah, also I'm gonna go in and, you know, put my blush on. That is Elf blush palette, and I just pocket on, and then I'm using this white eyeliner thing to line my waterline, and it was kind of hesitant because I need to sharpen it better, but it's all cool. And then I went back into that hot pink, and I just put it under my eyeball, and then I took the orange one. There you go, the orange one. I put it in the front, and then for this one, the pink glitter goes where the pink one goes, and then the gold one goes where the orange was applied. And yeah, I just put glitter under my eye, and then I went in with mascara to fix my lashes and to get my bottom lash looking popping.
Dum, 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 dum.
And now using the same highlight, I'm going to highlight the rest of my face. So I started off with my cupid's bow, my cheek area, and I'm gonna blend that out. I'm not gonna be walking around looking like a fool. My nose, you know, my chin. If you want to do your forehead, you can do that too. And then I moved on to my lips, and I'm using my lip liner from Wet n Wild, and then I'm going in with another Wet n Wild lipstick, and then I'm gonna put my Elf lip gloss on top of it, and all of that will be on the screen. I really don't know the names of all of them, so everything will be on screen, so make sure you look for that. Yeah, I apologize for any smacking I did in this video, because I don't know what wrong with me. I was just listening to the thing, I was just saying, oh, look at me, I doing it again. I'm sorry. Never mind. I'm sorry. My lips looking sweet. But this is basically the end of the look. I did not record an outro, so the ending of this video is just going to be the final look and me just, you know, showing y'all the final thing. But thank you guys for watching my video. Remember to be beautiful and love yourself. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. What are you doing? And give me a big thumbs up if you like this video.
She want marry me, yo. I hope that she sabi